Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to spoof Pokemon Go. So this is going to be a spoofing guide in 2025 for spoofing Pokemon Go on Android and iOS. So step 1 for spoofing is understanding the risks. Spoofing in Pokemon Go violates 9 ethics terms of service which can lead to bans. Always use caution and avoid making extreme location jumps. Now, step 2 is spoofing on Android, that is the no root way. Method 1 is using a GPS joystick app. Simply navigate to Play Store and download a GPS spoofing app. So type in GPS spoof, hit enter, and you can choose to use any GPS spoofing app. Recommended apps are Fake GPS Location, that is Fake GPS Go. You can install this and use it. Another way is setting your location. Open the GPS joystick app and choose a location and start spoofing. Then launch Pokemon Go and enjoy spoofing. Method 2 is using a VPN with GPS spoofer. So navigate to Play Store and search for VPN. Hit enter and you can install any of these VPN. I will suggest to install VPN Super Unlimited Proxy. You can use these VPNs and it works without root but requires a key. Combined with a VPN for extra security. Now, after opening the VPN, change your location. Now, step 3 is spoofing on iOS through no jail. Now, another way is navigating to any browser on your mobile phone, opening a new tab and typing in itweaked.net. Hit enter. After typing in itweaked.net, click on the link that says itweaked.com. Now, it will take you to another page where you can easily install Pokemon Go Spoofer. The app will be ready to start. As you can see, this is the page and here you get the Pokemon Go Spoofer option just right here. Click on Pokemon Go Spoofer, click on Start Now button. Now give some time for it to process and after you install this spoofer and unpack it, you would have successfully spoofed your Pokemon Go. So this is the simple way through which you can spoof Pokemon Go in 2025. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.